morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Festo Garage, Festo channel. Got my GMC Sierra 2500 HD. We did some maintenance things on it yesterday, and one of those things was rotating my tires. And yes, I rotate my brodozers. So we're going to show you today how we pre-programmed the TPMS sensors in the tires without a tool. Take the key, put it in the ignition, turn it to the run position. You're going to press the lock and unlock buttons on your remote. As soon as you hear the horn honk, you'll see on the dash, it'll say tire learning active. Come around to the front of the truck, you're going to notice that this light is on. None of the other ones are on. And what this is indicating, that this tire is ready to learn. And how you do it is by, we're going to take and we're going to deflate some of the air out of the tire until it picks it up and it programs this sensor. That horn honk indicates that it has learned this tire. And if you pan around to the truck, you're going to notice that now this light is on. So now it's ready to learn this tire. So again, we're going to do the same steps. All right, horn is honked. That light is out. Now we're going to come around here. Now notice that this light is on. Horn honk. All right, last one. All right, so now once that all of them are programmed.
I heard that horn honk twice that time.
That's correct. When the horn honks twice, all of them should be programmed. Now you can see that the odometer is just back on the vehicle. We need to toggle back through to our gauges here on the dash. We need to make sure that our tire pressures are set per the manufacturer or what kind of tire that you're running on the vehicle. So that's what we're going to do next. Is we're going to put some air in the tires. We don't really need to film that part. But that pretty much wraps up how to program your TPMS sensors here on GMC vehicles, Chevy, anything from 2007 or newer. Some of the newer ones may need the tool, not quite sure, but I know at least on 07s to 2014s, this is a quick, easy way how to do it without having a tool. So again, this is King Cuz on the Festo channel, saying we're out.